Hello and welcome to another WP Companion video tutorial. Okay, today's WordPress tutorial we're going to cover one of the top WordPress plugins, and that is one that already comes with WordPress when you install it, as we'll see on our demo site fitnessexaminer.com. We're going to pop into our WordPress dashboard, and then we're going to navigate to installed plugins. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to activate this plugin. Now before we do that, you can see over here where you can actually sign up for a key, API key. So you can pop over to get your Akismet API key, and then once you get your API key, you sign up and get your API key, what you want to do is save it in a safe place. If you have a program like Notepad or Outlook or wherever you save notes and that type of thing, where you may save important information, you'd like to put your key there. Okay, so we'll pop back here, and let's say we have our key now. Let's activate the plugin. And it should prompt us, there you go, you must enter your Akismet API key for it to work. Makes sense to me. So I'll click there, and I'll find my key, and then I'll input my key. Alright, and you'll notice that there's a choice here to auto-delete spam submitted on posts more than 1 month old, show the number of comments you've approved beside it, and we're going to do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Then let's update our options. Okay, so your key has been verified. Happy blogging. So we're all set there. That's that for the setup part. We can pop over to comments. You can take a look at the comments here. Submitted. Okay, none have been approved. So there's essentially, at this particular point, there's really nothing else to do. I'll just take these comments here. They're just we'll check for spam. Hold on, I have to check these first. Well, isn't that interesting? Both of those are spam, so that's gone. Akismet will also keep some stats for you. You can click here and see the stats real quick. Okay, so you can see this. We really haven't had a lot of comments one way or the other, but you can see a lot of interesting stats, and actually have a graph there, which is real nice. Okay, just keeping you informed. And it says, "What the heck is ham doing on my blog? I'm a vegetarian." Okay, it says spam. Most people know. Unwanted commercial comments on your blog. Ham is what we call its counterpart, legitimate comments. On the Akismet mistake side, missed spam is pretty much self-explanatory, and a false positive is a legitimate comment incorrectly identified as spam, which we hope happens very rarely. Also, we meant no offense to vegetarians, so that's kind of a little humor in there, but every once in a while the plugin will identify or misidentify a legitimate comment as spam, and you get an opportunity to see how frequently that happens, because you'll be checking these things from time to time anyway. But that's the wrap up of the very simple setup. Not a lot of options. You put in your API key. You determine if you want the comments deleted, the marked as spam deleted after a month or so, and if you want to keep stats. So that's it for the top WordPress spam plugin in the world. Currently millions and millions of downloads. Akismet, Akismet. So thank you. for taking a look at this very simple plugin tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to join us for another WP Companion video tutorial. Please feel free to come to our website at www.wpcompanion.com for more great WordPress video tutorials. Thank you for joining us.